there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. Today is just another quick tip with April. You don't need a label maker and you don't need a Cricut. I don't have a Cricut or anything fancy. I'm just going to use a good old Sharpie and some labels. Whatever labels work best for you, and you probably can get them just about anywhere. If you don't want to spend much on labels, you can always just use tape and paper. I've been making labels for everything around my sewing room, and then I realized I really didn't like the labels that I had. So dark, and I used a silver marker, and I realized I can't see these very well. You can see that the labels on this workbench are just so hard to see. I'm going to put the white ones on this too, and let's compare. I decided to go through my labels and see what else I had. Those are the black labels I used. I just couldn't see them. I had that roll of 4x6, so I'm just going to take and I'm going to cut a bunch right off this roll. I just ended up cutting mine all down to 2.5 inches by 6 inches. These are the 2.5 inches by 6 inches that I'm going to use for the big bins. I'm just going to cut the words off. That'll leave me with a 1.5 inch by 2.5 inch label. I'm going to put those on the drawers. I'll just cut my labels down a little smaller here because I want to use every bit of this. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these little ones yet, but I'm going to put them in a baggie and I'll have them for future. I'm just going to cut all the words off this. Okay, and that's just going to give me this size. Quite small. And then I'm going to go even a little bit smaller and I'm just going to cut this white off here. And that left me some little ones. And I'm not sure again what I'm going to do with them, but they'll be in the bag. And if I ever need them for something, I will have them. Here's what the bench looks like now with the white labels. Here's what the shelf looks like with all of the white labels, and now you can see them from clear across the room. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip with April. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.